Metals traded with moderate bearishness throughout the day as discussed, predicted, and expected. Few hours back with our Asia session update, I have mentioned that only about 27.10 we can expect gold to trade bullish. So far, it is respecting it, and on the downside, 27.80-84 proven out to be a greater support. While for silver, we have seen it trading bearish, we have seen it struggling to break beyond 31.30, 31.20. Now, what to expect with the US session? Where to enter, where to exit, how to profit. Trading gold and silver, we will see with the help of charts and indicators. This is the second update for the day, and this is the only channel to give you two updates with detailed analysis on multiple time frames and logical levels for you to take a trade and trade profitably and trade with confidence. Do subscribe, press the bell icon, do like, share, and comment, which is a great motivation. Join the free Telegram channel for live updates and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Let's start first to look into gold, followed with silver. What's happening on the hourly charts? You can see I've shared this earlier as well. Look at the formation drop, consolidation drop, retracement. Trading in this bearish channel here, and the top of the channel is still far above towards 27.20, 27.30 zone. That is the channel, that is the level at which it needs in order to turn bullish. What is happening here on the hourly charts? Just have a look here. See, first of all, a double top at 27.10, then a sharp retracement. Now, forming the lows, you can see these bigger tails here suggest that there is a greater support coming in for gold on the downside, and with that as support, it is retracing. However, on the upside now, if you see it is staying above 26.96, you can buy, but then 27.0102, 27.05, and then 27.1012. These are the three levels it needs to break in order to turn bullish here. Very clear. The stochastic has retraced while the MACD is crossed over and it is trading bearish, and the RSI is flat. On the 2 hour charts, likewise, similar observation here. Trading under retracement here, not willing to break past the top here at 27.50. That is very clear that we may not see gold breaking beyond this, even if there is a news or even if there is a positive confirmation. I do not see it breaking beyond 27.50 any point of time soon. Now, yes, it is retracing. However, also look at downside, the median of the Bollinger Bands giving it a very good support. This may become a reversal candle and we can see a possible retracement. Now, what does this mean? This means that we can see gold trading in this channel. We can in fact expect it to break beyond 27.10, 27.20 zone. There is a possibility as long as it respects 27.80 zone here. We can expect that we should not be treating rather gold as bearish as long as it stays above 27.80, but below that, that will be confirmation of continuation of bearishness, where we can expect lower lows here. Stochastic rising, MACD has retraced, RSI is almost staying. Now look at the 2 hour chart, similar observation here, nothing different, just the price is struggling somewhere here in between 20-50 average. It has breached below the 20 average, trying to stay bearish, but I can see a very good support coming in here on the downside. So if you now see gold staying below 26.80, you can initiate a selling entry there. Expect 26.74, 75 first, and then 26.68, 70 second support levels. If you see it trading below 26.68, you can expect a move towards 26.60, and that will confirm that now gold is going to hit lower lows here. Possibilities there. So yes, you do watch out for these levels. The stochastic has dropped here, while if you look at MACD, crossed over here at the bottom, it is still looking upwards, it is still trading bullish, and the RSI is almost flat. On the 4, when you see the formation on the 4 hour chart, see the moving averages here have crossed over. These are trading bearish certainly, and right now after posting a reversal confirmation, since then gold is trading under this retracement zone. Yes, the indicators have come down to a comfortable zone, but MACD was the one which is seeing the lows here, and it is now looking upwards and trading bullish. RSI has come out of the oversold zone as well. And on the daily charts, important thing to note here is look at the formation drop, consolidation drop, and consolidation, or you can say retracement. Now, do not treat this as reversal as long as now 27.50 is not taken. In fact, 27.30 and 50 is the zone which previously was a greater support zone, is now going to be a greater resistance. And what is happening here is important to note. Look at the formation. It is see, every time it has taken the support from 20 period moving average. So far this time it has breached and moved towards 50 period. So yes, right now it is trading in a slight bearish zone, is struggling to break either above 20 period or break below 50 period. The stochastic rising from the oversold zone, but look at MACD here on the daily charts. crossing over at the top. Right now, the facing of the divergence is on the downside. Also, if you look at the peaks, see the peaks here, candles have peaked here, and thus a possibility of a retracement from here cannot be denied. RSI has dropped. So looking at the charts and indicators, before I give you the levels, if you want to learn this art of trading, join my mentorship batch. And if you just want to trade as per the levels, be a part of my signals channel on Telegram. Connect with me, write an email or ping me over Telegram for your queries. And if you're looking forward to a broker which offers you a swap-free account with lowest spreads and no hidden charges, you can find the recommended broker link also in the channel and video description. Now, looking at the chart, see, very simple. It has to break beyond 27-10-12 zone in order to confirm further rise towards 27-20 or 27-30 zone. There is a possibility, but right now the movement is not very much supportive of such a stronger move. And yes, you can buy here at 27.96 now, 26.96 now. Expect 2700, 2701 as the first target or resistance. Next one is also very nearby towards 27.0506, and the third one at 27.1012. Now, once these three levels are clear, you can say now gold is turning bullish, and then we can expect a move towards 27.20 and 27.30 as the next targets. On the downside, I will recommend a sell here at 26.84 levels. Expect 26.80. Now 26.84, 26.80, very good support zone here. And rather, I will say 26.78, 80 is going to be the first target zone, then 26.74, and then 26.68. If 26.68 is taken, stay short. We can aim for 26.60 and then 26.50 levels, below which you can expect more bearishness here in gold. Take your positions accordingly. Now, till 26, I will say 26.74, 76 levels, we have to be cautious with the sells here on the downside. We can see swings, we can see a recovery. Take your positions accordingly. Let's move to now, what's happening on silver. If you look at the move here on silver, simple, just draw this drop retracement, drop consolidation, drop retracement. It is trading bearish, and this time the bearishness has got diminished. A smaller leg is seen here. Now, if you look at the movement, what is happening post this drop? It is consolidated and formed a very strong base here at 31. With that as base, we have seen it moving towards 32. Yesterday, in my update, I have clearly mentioned that this zone is critical, and in fact, till 33, we should not be treating this as bullish. Now, what's happening here? You should notice that post this support, it has seen the rise, it is retracing now, and this is the main trend, which means right now this is under retracement, and a possible move towards 32.40, 32.50 can be expected. Still, there is a possibility for it to happen. Moving averages are bearish while the stochastic is rising, and the MACD is trading bearish after a good retracement. Only MACD is suggestive of slight bearishness on the hourly charts. RSI has also dropped on the two. Now notice on the 2 hour chart, support, retracement, then a drop. Now look at the preceding two candles. It comes with greater tails, and if it breaks out beyond 3160, when you see the lower price above 3160, we can expect a further rise towards 3180, 85, and then 3210, 3225 zone can also be seen here, and beyond this 3240, 50 should appear. Right now, I see that there is a possibility for a recovery, but breaking beyond 32, 40, 50 is something which is going to be a very difficult thing for silver. Stochastic rising, MACD is in green trying to converge, RSI is staying flat here. On the three, the observation is similar. Only thing to note here is if it breaks now below 3130, when you see the higher price below 3130, you can confirm that now we are looking forward to more bearishness. 3130, 3120 is a very good support, and breaking below this time we can expect it to break below these lows at 3080 as well. This is something you should watch out for. Stochastic has dropped while the MACD on the 3 hour charts is rising after the crossover at the bottom. The RSI is flat. Now, important thing to note here on the 4 hour charts, preceding candle, a swing candle, closing at the top here, and this may become a reversal confirmation if the current prices trades above 3180. Then you can say that this is a reversal, and from here the silver is expected to achieve higher highs, possibly 3240, 3250 zone can be seen. So where this current candle takes is going to be important. Any drop below 3130, 3120 is a clear sign of more bearishness here. Stochastic has dropped, MACD rising, RSI flat. Coming to On the daily charts, likewise, see important to note here it has got the support from the 100 period average here. With that as support, so far for the day, we have seen it trading bearish, and now only bullishness is if it breaks beyond 32-32-20 zone, which will confirm its further advancement towards 32-40-50, and in fact, it may erase the losses from this candle moving towards 32-70-80 zone and stay in the zone. Right now, I can see it is struggling to break on the upside, and there are greater resistances till 32-32-20 zone. Thus, even if you see a movement towards 32-20, be cautious. Do not treat this as bullish. It can reverse. It can drop again. Stochastic rising from the oversold zone. MACD bearish. RSI is dropped here. Looking at this, very simple. Sell at 31.30 when you see the higher prices below 31.30 now, and now buying entry is above 31.60 levels. So yes, once it is trades above 31.60, we can expect a move towards 31.80 and $32 levels. Beyond this, 32.20-25 is going to be the next resistance. If at any point of time silver trades above 32.20 stay bullish, 32.50, 32.80 zone can be expected, chances of which appears to be less. On the downside, sell only at 31.30, expect 31.15, 31 and 30.80 as the next support. Below 30.80, it is not going to come back. We are looking at 30.50, $30 levels as the next targets. If not today, any point of time in near future, these levels will get achieved. Take your trades accordingly. Like, share, subscribe, and comment. Join my mentorship batch and signals channel. Do not miss to watch the daily updates. Do not miss to watch the weekly updates tomorrow. The subscribe, press the bell icon, join the free Telegram channel, and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Thank you. Have a great profitable trading day ahead and a happy weekend. Thank you.